Welcome everyone to the Teach Me Forex weekly wrap-up for week ending February 5th, 2010. Let's start off with our trader of the week. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from New Westminster, British Columbia, it is Izaz, affectionately known as Izzy Azad. Izzy's been with us for a while, and this last week, Izzy had the ability to compound all of his trading accounts, not just in his short term, but also in his swing and position accounts. And he's also been in the Pure Trade Room, our R&D Pure Trade Room, and him and along with Greg Ward have been there from 11 o'clock at night Pacific until essentially 2 or 3, checking out these great new systems that we're working on, and Izzy's been doing a fantastic job. Izzy, this week, is our Trader of the Week. Great job, Izzy. All right, getting into what we've done in our team trade rooms this past week. Let's take a look. We called out 15 trades in the intraday room. 14 of them were winners, 1 loser. 271 total pips, ROI of 8.5%. In our swing and PO, we did 14 trades, 9 and 5. 514 pips. Look at that ROI, 12.4%. Very nice indeed. Let's get over to our intraday wrap-up. So once again, 271 pips for 8.5% ROI. There is that spreadsheet that Coach Wally Gaffney keeps for us so nicely. And Wally is with us today, and I'm going to pass it over to him so he can show you our trade of the week in our intraday room. So Wally, over to you.
Great, Rich. Thank you. Well, the trade of the week, by popular acclamation from our traders when we talked to them today, was set up when we came into the room at 7 o'clock on Thursday morning. We were looking at the Aussie, the Australian dollar versus the US dollar pair. We had we were in consolidation, but we had a great lower two, and we called an entry sell stop at the break of 87.80 if and only if price approached that point correctly. We indicated that with our little green football. And by the way, we had a nice PPA down to 87.66, a nice 14 pip PPA. So let me show you what happened. As price approached, it approached with speed and size. So we took the trade when it broke, and shazam, on one 5-minute candle, it went to our gap, giving us 14 quick pips. It took a little pause, and then it went to the extended gap. This trade netted us, I believe, 19 pips. But that was just the beginning of the story, because later on, as time progressed, we called another trade at the break of 87.37, and that little puppy netted us 28 pips. So the Aussie dollar pair was very good to the Teach Me Forex intraday crowd this week. Everyone have a great weekend, and we'll see you all next week. Rish?
Great, thank you very much, Wally. That was a fantastic trade indeed. And Thursday was just an amazing day, wasn't it?
Absolutely. Best day in weeks, if not months.
What did we do? 140 pips that day, just in one day alone?
144. 6
Nice.
trades. They all worked very nicely. 5 of the 6 were double-digit trades.
Beautiful. No, great job. And what does that mean for us? Let's talk about the power of 10. Talking what we're doing in the intraday room, our soon-to-be launched Pure Trade Room. We're looking for 10 net pips, ladies and gentlemen. So what does 10 net pips do? Basically, let's take a look. We're compounding. So we started off with $2,642. We ended off with $2,868. Did we have the ability to take 10 net pips every single day, Monday through Friday? Yes, we did. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go over to our swing wrap-up, and we're going to talk about what we did in our swing and position room. We did 514 pips for a 12.4% ROI. That's better than 12.1, isn't it? Now let's take a look. 14 trades were called out, 9 winners, 5 losers. Once again, 12.4% ROI. There is our spreadsheet for the 2 strategies that we do trade in that room, and I'm going to pass it over to Coach Eric. And Eric, you can show us some of those pretty charts that you have, my friend.
Thank you very much, Rish. Actually, I tend to correct ourselves. The results that you see in the spreadsheets this week reflect this trade only and only if there's a lot that exited here. But many of our traders, because of this varying spread in the 5th digit, had to stay in this trade. So there is the 12.4% that you saw is the conservative way. Really, if you were lucky enough to that the spread kept you in this trade, there's a lot more pips that this EJ trade ran. This was also on this glorious Thursday. Not much of a retracement, but our indicators said we're looking at a potential top. We had trend line break, everything. We got in at the 1 pip at the top of that red little candle here, that little wick. It started slow for the first 8 hours, and then shabam shabam. We started taking profit here at that 24.71, and we just kept on going. And this whole drop here happened within 30 minutes. And since we were sleeping, some of those limits weren't quite there yet. So this trade, actually, um, it was quite hard to follow the mechanics on this one. And get the pips you were supposed to get. Actually, this trade, it was hard not to get more pips than this actual system gave us. So this was a remarkable trade, with 500 pips move. Take your picks where you want your limits. You got plenty of places where we could have taken our profits. This by far the trade of the week. We had a few good ones, but a 500 pip move, you got to call that the trade of the week. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Great, thank you very much. 500 pip move, I wonder. Nicely done, nicely done. All right, so what does this mean as far as actual money is concerned? Well, let's get back to Tommy Trader over here. For the purpose of this exercise, Tommy's trading two trading accounts, one for intraday, one for swing. Beginning of the year, he started off with $2,000. Let's see where he's at today. All right, so in intraday, he started off with $2,642. His week ending balance is $2,868. In swing, he started off with $2,816, and his week ending is now $3,165. So his total weekly for this past week, he would have earned $575. Now let's take a look at his accumulated profit and loss. Since the beginning of this year, he would have earned $2,033. And look at this, we're just into February, so that's not too bad, not too bad at all. Good job, Tommy. All right, so what do we do at Teach Me Forex? Well, we teach you how to fish, and we want you fishing with us every single day. We'd like to be your fishing guide, so let us fish together and help you supplement your current income, just like how we do with Tommy. All right, and if you'd like any more information, ladies and gentlemen, please visit our website, teachmeforex.com. You'll find all the information you need in regards to our team trade rooms, our video archive library, as well as our weekly results. And if you'd like to find out what we're doing on a daily basis, sign up at twitter.com/teachmeforex, and you'll see exactly how many trades we're calling out and what we did on a daily basis. And if you have any other questions at all, please drop us a line at info@teachmeforex.com. And a quick reminder to everyone, next week, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, swing in the position room at 4 p.m. Pacific. We're having some special classes. And of course, this weekend, have a safe one. Super Bowl Sunday. Enjoy. Take care, everyone. See you next week.